Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 social media marketing tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. This is just a very quick video to let you know that I have updated my Twitter background template to reflect the changes made to the desktop UI of Twitter in January 2014. If you click the link in the description, you'll land on this blog post which explains all the ins and outs of the new design, which you can see has been subtly updated from the old one. If you take a quick look at this one and compare it to the new design, the area that tweets and the newsfeed are shown in has been widened and the header image has been enlarged. So if you have a design that is optimized to take into account the old Twitter design, then you might need to tweak it slightly with this new template to keep it optimized. This blog post will explain everything you need to know about Twitter backgrounds and how you can optimize yours to be seen by as many people as intended as humanly possible. So click the link in the description and head on over to this blog post and grab it. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.